So, the legendary investor Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. So, when others are fearful, that means there is negative news. It could be related to macro environment, it could be related to politics, geopolitics, it could be related to corporate profitability or something else. For example, today investors are worried about what's happening in China, whether US Federal Reserve will increase interest rates. They are worried about the geopolitical risk, the plunging oil prices, and in India the NPA issues. But because of all these issues, Nifty, which was at 9,000 or so a few months back, is at 7,500 or so. Had these negative news not been there, market wouldn't have fallen so much. So if you invest during this kind of bad news, obviously at some point in time, when the corporate profitability returns, when the things become normal, markets are likely to go up. Over a longer period, equity market delivers returns in line with the growth in the corporate profitability. If companies are making more money, the corporate earnings are growing, the stock market will reflect that. And in a growing economy like India, where over a longer period corporate earnings have grown in double digit and equity markets have delivered those returns, there is no reason to believe why that wouldn't happen in next 5 years or 10 years. So investors who have a long-term horizon can take advantage of this volatility which is induced by some global reasons, some domestic reasons, and stay invested for a longer period. In equities, the time horizon must be relatively long. I would say at least 3 years and more. And as again to quote Warren Buffett, a time to sell a good stock is probably never. And I think people, unless that you have a liquidity need and there is another requirement for money, I think one should remain invested. As a growing economy like India, the equity market should deliver good returns over a longer period. And that has been the case with most of the other parts of the world as well historically.